foods for dinner and iftari, 9th day of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah for all the foods for today. Have extra yesterday for fillings of samosas. This is boiled and mashed potatoes. And I put already ingredients here like salt, chili powder, and coriander leaves, and some coriander seeds. And what I have to add more here, because I will make this one another recipe. So I will put 2 tablespoons of uh, all-purpose flour. Must be you have to use cornstarch or corn flour, but I don't have available, so this is my substitute corn flour. Sorry, all-purpose flour. You can use also wheat flour, the one we are making for kubos, for chapati or roti. So I have all-purpose flour, so I will use this one. And I made also homemade cheese mixed with carrots, so I have to add also this one. If you have mozzarella cheese, it's much better, but I don't have mozzarella cheese, so I have to add also this one. I make before 2 days this homemade cheese, only 500 ml. I use Tetra Pak milk, this evaporated milk. If you have this fresh milk like buffalo or cow, it's much better to use to make homemade cheese, mozzarella cheese, but I don't have, so I use only this Tetra Pak milk. Inshallah, I will make again another kind of recipe for cheese like mozzarella cheese. Just I show this, watch this one in YouTube, mixed with carrots, grated carrots and juice of carrots. But I already taste this one. It's very tasty. So I add here. This is for my recipe for today. Another recipe for iftari. Today is 9th day of Ramadan fasting. And today is March 20. And yeah, 9 days Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, ang bilis ng araw. 9 days na ngayon ang Ramadan. Parang kailan lang yung nag-start ang Ramadan. So, Peter, ilagay ko na lang ito lahat. Magtira ako ng konti para sa iftari ko. Ayan. Ayan, para sa iftari ko mamaya. Kulang pa yata ang ang flour, so dagdagan natin. We have to divide this one into 2. And then we have to roll this one. Now we have to cut like this. cut like this. And then we will put here. Dapat magsariling sikap para may kakainin for aftari. Kasi kung bibili lahat, mahal. At saka, hindi maganda yung bumibili na hindi mo nakita. Kasi baka luma na. So, mas maganda talaga ang homemade. Let's start to fry now. First, I will fry this one. And after this one, this pakora. And I have 4 pieces expand of wet flour. That one I'm making for chapati or roti. So, I will fry also this one. Now, oil is almost hot. So, I have to put now this one. Ayan. Pwede na. Ito na yung fried roti o kaya chapati. And then ito na yung mashed potatoes, boiled mashed potatoes na fried. So, ayan. Ayan, meron pa dalawa. After this one, then I have to fry now pakora. Now, frying this pakora. This is first batch, second batch, and there is third batch. After this one, pakora, I have to make now chapati or roti. I have rice yesterday, and there is also extra native chicken curry yesterday. So, today I did not cook viand for dinner, and we have also mixed vegetables, green leafy vegetables. So, what I have to cook only today is only pakora, then this boiled mashed potatoes, and this fried chapati.